Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. How to Attain Good Health, aka, Attain a Higher Vibrational State. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., April 1, 2020. Attaining a better health or vibrational state is similar to human ways of formal education. Graduate School of Business Management, MBA, can be taught with a few words. Set an objective, list your alternative courses of action and decide on what is priority amongst those you listed to attain your objective. Graduates became top executives, leaders, businessmen and success in terms of the material part of humanity. Of course they simulate the problem solving with 1,000 real business cases, training your minds to solve problems to justify the cost of the course, sort of computer games and a repeat of collegiate courses. Government and corporations send their employees to local and overseas higher education to take this course to ensure continuity of success in their operations. Our spiritual guides use a similar simulation system, spiritual education, to assist us attain a higher vibrational state, told to us at 4D, at astral frequency when we sleep. David R. Hawkins, MD, PhD and Stephen Sinatra, MD, FACC are both advocates of a higher vibrational frequency with emphasis on emotional and spiritual and medical scientific ways of raising vibrational frequency leading to a higher vibration-oriented human. Albert Einstein's E=mc², conceptualized in 1905, is linked to health and energy by said MDs as everything is energy, even our thoughts are. You create light feeling reality as caring and feelings make your physical/emotional makeup. Light here is meant as our feelings and movements. Raise your vibration to live in the flow of love and peace, a state of being practiced by ancients like yoga, and later you graduate to meditation, peace and solitude. Raise your vibration in preparation for the ascension shift and you create light feeling reality. The Western world caught up at the 20th century practices of yoga and meditation variations for health or vibration reasons. Today we call it New Organics high vibrational mode of living. Cardiologist and internist asked me to consume organics and superfoods, the likes of olives, honey, and chia seeds, black or white, eaten by the Greeks, Aztecs with Australia following suit. My medical expert, MD, added exercise and red wine with resveratrol, 3/4 of a glass at bedtime if you desire sound sleep, no pork or beef in my case, and told that after 20 years of healing my cardio and hypertension problems, I am good and strong. My deep gratitude to Source and my good doctor, healer. High vibrational living is the key to attain good health, wholeness and completeness of being. Yes, that is more than 20 years of healing. This means positive living, organics and always positive oriented, focusing on going within yourself, communing with your inner light while practicing good health modalities. These health practices are synonymous to our daily lives, to what we do and discuss, living with nature, grounded to earth, gratitude for the things we had for the day, sleep early and rise early, soak in light/sun energies at sunrise while brisk walking and allowing it to flow to your being. Ballroom dancing or swimming and eating organic foods are substitutes. Eat fruits and veggies 10 minutes before your regular meals, take a power nap, share your water and energy with nature, pets, plants and trees, and ask your spiritual guides to surround you with their energy and flame. Think of the wonderful, joyful and powerful life we all have. In solitude and quiet, have yourself surrounded by the energies of Source and your spiritual guides, recite your intentions, align them with your mind, your mental faculties, and ascertain that your inner light is open, guiding you while you make your intentions manifest, readiness to receive abundance in the flow of loving light. Let your energy flow through your breath, deep breathing exercise, in 5D.com, and your stress are relieved. Any stress that is taking a toll on your health, inhale alternating mouth and nose, and exhale in regular cadence, and the stress flows away. Dissolve negative thoughts and you will be relieved of continuing stress. Norman Vincent Peale gave the best version of self with his Positive Attitude book that helped people of the 60s. Unconditional love, unconditional forgiveness and acceptance, and deep-seated positive acts and words to live by releases all negative things in our lives. Live with them and you will always have good vibes, thus high vibration living is yours. To summarize, be positive in thoughts and actions. The minority negatives and COVID-19 and other forms of viruses are always there for our experience to attain a new human collective and for the light within ourselves. Aim in the development of high vibration utilizing the life of new organics while you take care of your health. Master control of fear of mortality and change it to love, light and compassion in the light of COVID-19. High vibration automatically comes within self, fill your heart-mind of love in the process. Remember, you are a fragment and an expression of source energy, an immortal light within your being. Expansion and contraction concepts. The virus awakened people and made them aware of mortality. It is our love and desire to be of service to others and our compassion at the time of the COVID-19 that will shift the planet Earth and humanity to a higher vibrational frequency. Love and Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations creating jobs, share teachings everywhere, anywhere. Link at ornedoja@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Sleebreeze and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or articles at the net.